Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Arnold Shani. And today we're going to be talking about phase of matter. So liquid. Liquid is one of the phases of matter. There's only three phases of matter. So liquid has an almost fixed volume, but no set shape. Because of that, gravity makes liquid always takes the shape. Gravity makes liquids that always takes the shape of the container. Gas is the second phase of matter. Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape, no fixed volume. Gases has lower density than other states of matter, such as solids and liquids. Right? So gas, we all know we can't even see gas, we can't touch gas. Gas is just moving around, right? That's why it doesn't have a shape or it doesn't have a volume. So a volume is how much something weighs, while shape shapes means how something is built, right? These are the types of gas, just like the types of gas. There's more, but these are just the only four popular ones: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So we all know the oxygen we breathe. We all know hydrogen, nitrogen, and solid, right? Solids are the molecules, and there's a molecules. Okay, the molecules in solid are closely bound together, but they can only vibrate. So as you guys can see right here, this is solid. Solid is something like this very hard, a hard material, kind of stiff material, not like a solid is just something that just stays at one spot, like it doesn't move. So right here, it's like a block right here. As you guys can see, hold on, right here, it's like a block. It's not moving. It can only vibrate, right? So these are the types of solid. There's ionic solid, um, molecular solid, network, co- co- covalent solid, and metallic solid. So, sorry. So solid. So I'm gonna talk about this right here as well. These are like the key points of the three of the phases of matter. Okay, solids. They're one, definite shape. Two, they're definite volume. Three, they're high density and slight. And four, they're slightly compressible. Liquids. There's no defined shape. There's defined volume. Uh, mid to high density and slightly compressible. Gases, no defined shape, no defined volume, low density, and highly compressible. So, like as you explained earlier, shape is how something is built, volume is how heavy something is. So like yeah, I talked about volume the other my other video. So if you guys want to learn about that, you should guys go watch that video. So this is a solid, it's just moving once. It's just on one spot. This is liquid. Liquid is like always moving in a way. You won't really like sometimes if you just put a glass of water over there, and it kind of looks like it's not moving, but it could be moving. It's still moving in some ways. Gases is always moving. Doesn't stay in one spot. Gas is always moving. So that's why I have these pictures. Right. So now I'm gonna break it down. Right. So I'm going to talk about more of the other side of matter. So the three basic properties of matter are shape, mass, and volume. Right? All matter is made of tiny particles called atoms. Volume is the amount of space that matter takes up. Mass is the amount of matter an object has. Liquid takes the shape of their containers, and gases do not have defined shape or volume. Liquid do not have a defined shape, but they do have a volume. A defined volume. A solid have a defined shape and volume. A chair and the ice are example of solids. A milk and a juice are example of liquids. And we talked about the example of gases right here: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. Thank you guys for watching my video. My name is Omar Shani. But you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.